Hey everyone, this is Katie. Happy Saturday. Just jumping on here to do a quick video. I know I haven't been on here in a while. Anyways, I'm just going to show you how to successfully apply a liquid lipstick. This is from Kylie. This is her Koko K lip kit. This is my first time applying it. I've had this lip kit for some time, just have never used it. So first you want to take her lip liner. It requires a pen, a sharpener, because it's a pencil one. Line the outside of your lips first, and then color the inside. This will help make the liquid lipstick last longer. Second, you want to apply, this is Koko K. It smells good. And then I have also the Koko K lip gloss to top it off. Gives you a shine too. And that is the Koko K lip kit from Kylie Jenner. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. Always thank you for watching.